want an autograph or something?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You may not know me, but my name is Stephen Eichelbloem, and I am the head spokesperson of the Second Tower of Babel. I am certain by now you have heard about the terrible tragedy which has befallen our director, Dr. Jeff Ernstman. On March 26th, only hours before presenting his new invention at Solomon Hall, Dr. Ernstman was attacked by a violent, murderous fiend whose intent it was to tear down everything my dear friend has built for himself. During this attack, Dr. Ernstman was shot 3 times. It is with the utmost sorrow that I deliver this message to the world. Jeff Ernstman passed away this morning as a result of his injuries.